Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pudding bites. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 package of instant pudding mix, 2 cups of cold milk, and 8 ounces of whipped topping. Don't forget about 24 vanilla wafers, which will form the perfect base for our treats. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the pudding. In a medium bowl, combine the instant pudding mix with 2 cups of cold milk. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously for about 2 minutes, or until the mixture begins to thicken. Once it's well combined, place the bowl in the refrigerator for just 5 minutes to allow it to set a little more. This quick chill helps achieve the perfect consistency. With your pudding ready, it's time to assemble the bites. Take small serving cups or shot glasses. Place 1 vanilla wafer at the bottom of each cup. Next, spoon a generous layer of the prepared pudding over the wafer. Finish by adding a dollop of whipped topping on top. You can repeat these layers for a taller, more decadent bite if you wish. Almost done. For the best results, refrigerate your assembled pudding bites for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a firm, refreshing texture. Before serving, you can add a sprinkle of chocolate shavings or colorful sprinkles for an extra touch. These delightful bites are perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.